In this video, I want to introduce you to the Google Newsstand Publisher. So this gives you a chance to publish content to the Google network in a way that you probably have never done before. So it's a way to get your content out to Google Newsstand's feature in front of millions of potential eyeballs for your brand, for your organization, for your content. So you just need to go to google.com/producer and make sure you're logged in on the Chrome browser. If you're not logged in on Chrome, it's not going to work for you. So I need to come in here and put in my name and information. So I'm just going to plug in my name, my contact email, my title of my organization. I will say owner, and I will say organization will be my business name. Okay, I've read and accepted the Google News publisher agreement, and then I'm going to click on continue. So it's going to save that data for me. And so again, it's google.com/producer/home. So give your edition a new name. So you could take a couple of things. So you could take a YouTube channel. So I've got my YouTube channel here. I can give my edition a name. So let's say Marketing Counts Insights. I could take my RSS feed from my website here, and then I can click on creating my edition. And notice it's creating from the videos I have from my RSS feed. You could do this for any niche topic you have. And I just came up with the name there, the Marketing Counts Insights. You could come up with a more keyword rich title as well if you wanted to. It's building out the sections. Notice that it's working and doing its thing here. So you can manage the articles, you can manage the media library, you can distribute it online once it's done. So we're going to let it build out, and once it's built out, then we can actually start working with it. So notice here it's pulling in one of my blog posts there that I have that I need to take down from my website actually. So that was like used as an example there. So we can go over here to manage articles, and I can manage my blog here. And let's see here. So I've got, let's manage that article and delete that one from there. I've got quick and easy information product tips. Let's take that article out of there. I've got the landing page monkey free list building ebook. So these are all more marketing related. So those all look good. I've got my YouTube videos. So that YouTube video wouldn't be the best one, so I could delete that one, and it's going to automatically pull in some more videos for you. Let's see, launch your info product. That's a good one. So let's keep that video in there. We could go to create a new article. Create a new article, and you could actually work on creating your very own article in here. So you could go to edit fields, put in your new article, put in your article body, paste it in here, add any media that goes with it, and then boom, you've got your article ready to go on here. So that would be another thing you could add in here. And I'm going to go back here to manage articles. So I've got all my content here. Notice all my blog posts are now streaming in here, along with a couple of my videos as well. So then we can go to the grant access section. So this is where we can manage designers or allow people to access this tool. I can go here to distribute, and then I can verify content ownership. It protects my content from being used without permission. So this is a time where you would go verify. And so you're just going to click on that verify link. And so that's what I'm going to do here. It's trying to verify my domain. And it looks like it was verified. So yes, allow other Google products to access my content. Click on OK. And that's really important. And then go to publish. Once you click on publish, you can go here to Google Play Android testing. So you can subscribe to your edition on Google Play to test it out in the Google Play Store. You can also test it out in the iPhone device as well by just actually putting up your phone and then doing the QR code scanner to actually see what your edition looks like in there. And then, so now I've got the Marketing Counts Insights blog that's live and ready to go. I've got a couple of warnings here. It's not specified a language, so that's important. I haven't set a category, and I've yet to set a cover image, so I need to go back and do that. So let me go back here to the distribute section, and I need to go with international distribution. Yes, make sure that is set. Verify content ownership. I want to specify my language is English here. Now you could publish in many different languages as well. So I'm going to go with English. Automatic translation enabled. So that's actually a really cool feature that you can add in there. We can go in here and distribute with other Google products. Make sure that's enabled because that's going to maximize your reach as well. You could upload images that can be used inside of here. You can go to the section here, add photos, do social updates as well from like Google Plus. Make sure that those get fed in here. Put in your RSS feed, write your own articles, add your own photos. Of course, embed anything from your YouTube channels as well, and then you're good to go there. So you've got ads here. You could actually set up ads if you really wanted to. It must be enabled with AdSense, and that's another way you could actually make money from your edition. So you could make sure that you're signed up with Google AdSense here that we followed in other videos, and you could actually integrate this with Google AdSense if you wanted to do that. But we're going to go ahead and click on Publish here. We've got a couple warnings here, so I'm going to click here to set my category. So I'm going to go here to edition name. So we've got that set. Basic information, my category is going to be business and finance. And so description to show in catalog, learn insights on how to do digital marketing the right way. And then my URL, domain URL is going to be right here. Plug that in, click on update that. And so that's under edition settings. And we'll go here to cover image. So this is where I need to create a cover image as well. So I'm going to go over here to picture, and I'm going to find a picture of myself here. We'll just drop that in here, and lo and behold, that picture I selected seems to work actually. So let me just grab that image here, whichever one it is. There it is. And so that's going to update that. So we'll give it just a moment to upload this picture. And then this is Google Newsstand, and it's ready to be published. So it's ready to be published on the internet. And let's see here. So now we're going to update, add in your contact information. So I'm going to update that picture. It's saving it. And then I'm going to go to contact info here. You can put in your business contact, your business email, your alerts email, your advertising email. So if there are any issues with this, you can plug that in. And then you can set up Google Analytics as well. So if you have a Google Analytics account, you can integrate it so you can see, what kind of, use this is actually getting as well. So, you can do that also. So once you're done with all that, go here to publish, and there's no warnings now. You can do the testing on the Android, and then you can set a publication date. Once it's published, then click on publish, and it's going to go live on the internet to millions of people that have the Google Newsstand app. And so this is a great way to get your insights, to get your blog, to get your videos, to get your content, your material out in front of people using Google. So use Google Newsstand Producer. This is an extremely powerful tool that you need to make sure you add to your arsenal before they shut it down. It's a great tool. It works worldwide. It's fantastic, and definitely something you should look into using.